Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and I'm Ellie and this is my channel, The Black Cat Tarot. I've got some decks, I'm gonna start with a new mini that I've got, and this is the Deviant Moon Tarot by Patrick Valenza, and I love the standard version, so I'm very excited to have a look at this mini one. So let's open this. I have a love for the mini ones that are actually, or the pocket ones that come in this tin. I think they're the biggest, a little bit bigger, and I do love the tins, but this is by US Games, so they're normally good quality, but we are going to have a look, and I have the standard version here as well. So let's open this up. It just says, stylized characters and moonlit dreamscapes draw you into the luminescent world of the Deviant Moon Tarot. These mini borderless cards highlight Patrick Valenza's stunning artwork and allow readers to connect deeply with surreal and evocative tarot imagery. And of course we have more plastic. But the box is a normal tuck box. Not bad. I mean, it's actually stronger. I have had worse tuck boxes. So we have this tiny useless white. I mean, who reads these really? This is, you have upright meaning, reverse meanings for each of the major arcanas, and I don't know, I'm gonna check, and we do upright and reversed for the minors too. We have some spread. We have the one lunatic spread. There might be another one here. Let's have a look. No. So we're not gonna waste time on that. Okay, even though I'm gonna keep that of course in my little box. Okay, let's try to open this without damaging the cards. So let's do that. Here we go. And we have takeoff. I am gonna open this one so we can have a comparison. Same thing there. These are not in order, but we're just gonna check the back. So I do like this, the back of the standard version, because it is, you can see it's reversible. I don't use reversibles, but for those who do, here we do have the logo for US Games and the year it was printed. I don't like that. I think that takes away from the image of the card, so I am against that, but that's like my opinion. What is good though, because I have seen publishers having a logo like just one on one side and a big logo, and I was like, oh, why they do that? At least US Games have it on each side, so you can still, because these dark cards can still be used reversible, even though for me, in my mind and in my head, in my world, I can use any card reversible. I don't care whether it looks the same on the back. You know, but I think it's up to each and every one. Cardstock, it's like, it feels very stiff. I am almost afraid to bend this, but it's got a glossy finish. It's like a sheen to the card. This is more flexible. I mean, even if I do that, it's like it has a backbone, whilst this is more rigid. I do think these can be damaged if you are shuffling them too hard. Okay, So that is the cardstock. I mean, well, you see the difference anyway. I'm gonna show you the difference here. Maybe I should put that away and let's see. Here you go. You don't in the standard version you have a pattern here, but you don't really see that in the small one. I don't think you have that. It's just plain brown. Okay. So we have the Fool. Oh, they're so tiny and cute. And the Magician. I hope you can see the cards. They are tiny. And we have the High Priestess. The art is unbelievable. All Patrick Valenza's art. It's stunning. Very mystical, very weird. And for me, being a lover of weird, I get really happy when I see things like this. I have seen people saying, you know, like, or heard people saying that this art like revolts them. It's like, oh, it's disgusting. I think it's hilarious. It's definitely like taken out of a horror cartoon, but I love it. Look at the Lovers, the Chariot, Justice. So we have the Justice card here, and I'm gonna see if I see any. I'm amazed actually, because there's not much difference color wise and detail wise. It's like nothing separates the standard one from the mini version. Everything is there. You just need a bloody good eyesight to be able to see the small ones. I'm lucky in that sense. Touch wood, touch wood, touch wood, because I am short-sighted, so I can see things clearly close up. So Wheel of Fortune, Strength, the Hanged Man, Death. But that's weird, isn't it? That you have the Hanged Man on each and every major arcana so far. What I think, I haven't been observant enough. Yeah, and everyone, you have actually the name of the name of the card, but this like might be superstitious. You don't really want this, you know, we're talking about number 13 as well, and you don't really want that written down, and you don't want maybe how to have death written on a card, even though many decks, well, of course they do. So let me just flick through. Have patience with me. Maybe I should just stop this and while I look for it. I'm back, and as you can see, you do have this card, and it doesn't have, of all the major arcanas, this is the only card that hasn't got the name underneath. Okay, so then we have Temperance. The Devil. I will draw a card, and okay, do we need to? I don't know. I don't know what I should, because I mean, this is, well, I will. I will draw one card and then read from the little white book, even though it's like, this is a, like, you know, I don't really never use the guidebook for it. Like, it might be a lesson there for me as well, somehow. Judgment, the World. So that is major, the major arcana. So we have the King of Swords, so we go backwards. King of Swords, Queen of Swords, Knight of Swords, Page of Swords. So we have the writing for the court cards too, but not on the noble minors. A Ten of Swords. Look at that. Nine of Swords, Eight of Swords, Seven of Swords, Six of Swords, Five of Swords, Four of Swords, Three of Swords. So we have that Rider-Waite-Smith card. It's like with the piercing of the heart by three swords. So we have the Two of Swords and Ace of Swords. So I'm gonna put them like that. And then we are continuing with the Wands. King of Wands. My favorite card, the Queen of Wands in all decks, literally. Just the energy of Queen of Wands, I love it. Knight of Wands, Page of Wands, and we have the Ten of Wands, Nine of Wands, Eight of Wands, Seven of Wands, Six of Wands, Five of Wands, Four of Wands. You see that properly? Three of Wands, Two of Wands, and Ace of Wands. And then we have the King of Cups, Queen of Cups, Knight of Cups, Page of Cups, Ten of Cups. Look, it's so cute. It's like weird and quirky, and people probably say like how can you think that's cute? But I do love the art. I do think it's so different. And we have the Nine of Cups, the Eight of Cups, the Seven of Cups, the Six of Cups, Five of Cups, Four of Cups. Brilliant. Look at that. I have to, it's like holding his ears, like la 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 la. I don't want to hear, I don't want to listen. I think it's so good, so funny. So it is, there's definitely some humoristic vibes coming from this deck. Three of Cups, Two of Cups, Ace of Cups. So we have one suit to go, and that's the Pentacles. King of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles, so we don't have her Queen of Pentacles, but we do have her on the big standard size. We don't have it. We have the Seven of Swords on the small one. So Knight of Pentacles, Page of Pentacles, Ten of Pentacles, Nine of Pentacles, Eight of Pentacles, Seven of Pentacles, 6 of Pentacles, 5 of Pentacles. Oops, they are sliding. 4 of Pentacles, 3 of Pentacles, 2 of Pentacles, and Ace of Pentacles with the Dragon. I do like this card stock, I think, because you don't have to do ripple shuffle this like anyway, so you probably do this. Let's have a look what we will get. It's so tiny. But the one, as soon as I open this up, I haven't used this deck for quite some time. But Knight of Pentacles, yes, we like that. Money's coming, money's coming, money's coming, woohoo. Let's have a look. I need to open up. The passive knight slowly patrols the factory courtyards. He is persistent and always completes his tasks. Life for him has become unerringly monotonous. Upright meaning persistent, methodical, mundane, ritualistic. Reverse meanings lack of motivation, inconsistent, irresponsible. So that is it. That is Patrick Valenza's Deviant Moon Tarot mini version, Borderless as well. Thank you for watching. I'm not gonna do pairing with these at the moment. I haven't got the time, but I would love to. So if you have a suggestion for a pairing with this deck, please let me know. And if you have your own channel, also let me know, because I love to have a look at others, you know, other stuff, other cards, and your channel. So please let me know. Have a lovely day. Bye now.